One of the ways I tell stories with jewelry is not just through the visual design, but through the use of mechanics and moving parts. This dragon ring was inspired by Empress Wu. She was the 7th century ruler of China, and what I really liked about her is that she's the only female ruler of China to use the male title of emperor during her lifetime. After her lifetime, she's been referred to by a lot of historians in unflattering ways, such as Dragon Lady and Man-Eater, criticisms of her use of power that don't apply to men of her generation equally. And I decided that dragons are actually cool animals. They're considered lucky. We all love them. They're why we watch Game of Thrones, really. And so I decided to make her the most beautiful dragon I could think of. It's 18 karat yellow gold with diamond eyes, and what makes it really special is the lapis lazuli globe that it holds in its mouth. So it symbolizes Empress Wu ruling the whole world. And of course, since it's a globe, it's not useful unless it spins, which it does. The globe was hand carved and painted in Germany, and I think it's a worthy tribute to an empress.